Okay, so now I'm getting kind of curious about what I can do with this stuff. So if you look really close, there's an orange spot there. Hopefully it's showing up. Move your hand back, bud. I'm going to go ahead and give it a squirt and see if it takes the full 3 to 5, or if I can just scrub this stuff off after, I don't know, a minute or two. Okay, so it's been about a minute now. I'm going to go ahead and wipe this and see what happens. I think the spot was there.
I still see
I think
it.
this, you see it? Okay.
Right there.
No, that's a different one, I think. Is it? Oh, that came off of my fingernail, whatever that was. How about that? Yeah, same thing. So if you look really close, there's an orange spot there. Hopefully it's showing up. Okay, so... Alright, so yeah, I guess it doesn't take the full 3 to 5 minutes, but that one came right off.